है बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है। तो मैंने सारी क्रेनियल बोन्स जो आपको ग्रॉसली विजुलाइज थी, जो आप देख पा रहे थे और जो समझ सकते थे, वो मैंने आपको पढ़ा दी हैं। अब जो छोटी छोटी बोन्स हैं वो मैं आपको बाद में पढ़ाऊंगी, क्योंकि ये छोटी बोन्स जो है वो दिखेगा नहीं, फिर आपको समझ में भी नहीं आएगा। तो लेटर ऑन वी विल टेक दैट portion. Started with the formation of cranial cavity. The formation of cranial cavity I have discussed when we take individual bones also. ठीक है, तो and last time I told you that frontal is forming the roof. ये देखिए, this is cranial cavity. So if someone asks you that describe the formation of cranial cavity, then you have to mention the formation of cranial cavity by its roof, lateral wall, floor, then what is the cranial boundary and what is the caudal boundary of cranial cavity. So first you have to very much clear about the anatomy, where the bones are exactly situated. In case of ox, if we see the roof of cranial cavity, then it is formed by the frontal bone. The roof of cranial cavity is formed by the frontal bone. However, in dog, in pig, and in horse, the roof is also formed by part of occipital and parietal bone. In case of ox, parietal and occipital, they are situated here. I told you in last classes, आपको दिखाया है मैंने, समझाया है occipital bone, parietal bone, तो वो कहाँ पीछे की तरफ है. So in that species, in species like pig, dog and horse, the contribution of parietal, interparietal and occipital is there in formation of roof of cranial cavity. ठीक है, अब हम क्या, हम यहाँ से नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, हम क्या, things which I am describing over here, that are you are visualizing from internally. cranial cavity कौन सा है, ये है ना cranial cavity, तो इसका formation की बात कर रहे हैं हम. ठीक, so the roof is formed by the frontal bone, then floor is formed by the basioccipital and sphenoid bone. Basioccipital and sphenoid take part in formation of floor. You are seeing here the half of the cranial cavity, because cranial cavity is the entire cavity. पूरी cavity को एक ही गिना जाएगा ना. However, it is you are seeing here one half of it, and cranial cavity can be divided into two left and right halves, but as such whole cavity is a single cavity. So cranial cavity आप इसका half portion देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर. ठीक, अब this is the anterior portion and this is the posterior portion. This is the roof portion and bottom is the floor portion of cranial cavity. So the roof is formed by the frontal bone. Then if we see the posterior wall of cranial cavity, then posterior wall of cranial cavity is formed by the parietal and occipital bone, right? Posterior wall is formed by the parietal and occipital bone. The floor is formed by which bones? बताओ भाई, floor कैसे बनेगा?
Basioccipital and sphenoid.
Basioccipital and sphenoid will take part in formation of floor of cranial cavity. So the floor of cranial cavity is perforated by many foramina. However, if you see in the dorsal side, ऊपर की तरफ कोई ऐसा foramen नहीं है जो cranial cavity को pierce करे. ऊपर से कोई भी nerve emerge नहीं हो रहा था. याद करो, हमने starting कहाँ से किया था? Hypoglossal foramen और condyloid foramen और mastoid foramen, यहाँ से starting हुई थी हमारे foramen का. That is for emergence of nerves from cranial cavity to outside. ठीक है, तो याद करो यहाँ पर the floor of cranial cavity, foramen ovale, foramen lacerum, foramen orbitorotundum, याद आ रहा है? ये सारे foramen कहाँ पर हैं? These are foramens. So the base of cranial cavity have many foramen for emergence of nerves, right? And posterior wall of cranial cavity has large, cranial cavity, the spinal cord is connected with the brain, na? So here the posterior wall of cranial cavity is formed by occipital bone, and foramen magnum is present in occipital bone. So here the foramen magnum is present, which continued with which gave passage to the spinal cord, right? Now the lateral wall of cranial cavity. How the lateral walls will be formed? कौन सी बोन कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा? पेराइटल. ऊपर से कौन सा आ जाएगा? दिस वन इज पेराइटल. देखो कलर्ड अगर स्कल में देखें, हियर यू सी, ये हम क्या है बाहर से देख रहे हैं, और वो मैंने आपको कट स्कल दिखाया. हियर यू सी दैट टेम्पोरल, देन दिस वन इज पेराइटल, हियर इज फ्रंटल एंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस zygomatic. ठीक, so they take part in formation of lateral wall of cranial cavity. Basically चार बोन का मेन, तीन ही बोन का मेन कंट्रीब्यूशन है, टेम्पोरल, पेराइटल एंड फ्रंटल. So the lateral wall of cranial cavity is formed by these three bones, and this lateral wall, if we see from internal, it is having ridges of or impression of cerebral gyri. ठीक है. So the lateral wall, actually हम lateral wall किसको बोलेंगे? जो आप ये देख रहे हो, this one is lateral wall, this one is lateral wall, this one is the roof. ठीक है. And here is, this one is the anterior boundary here, and this here the foramen magnum is present, so this will be the posterior boundary. ठीक है. So the lateral wall is formed by the parietal. Which part of parietal? याद करो, वो दो two parts of parietal, horizontal and vertical बताया था. ठीक है ना. इसमें squamous parietal भी बोला था मैंने, या vertical part. ठीक है. So the vertical part or squamous part of parietal, then squamous temporal and frontal bone form the lateral wall of cranial cavity. ठीक. So the lateral wall is very large and it accommodate cerebrum anteriorly and cerebellum posteriorly. ठीक है. Cerebrum and cerebellum, cerebellum is present towards posterior, पीछे की तरफ cerebellum होगा, आगे की तरफ cerebellum होगा, cerebrum होगा. इतना सभी को पता है ना. तो cerebrum, the anterior part is accommodated by the cerebrum and posterior part by cerebellum. If we see the anterior boundary, the anterior wall of cranial cavity, then there is presence of ethmoidal fossa. अब मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था मैं ethmoid bone अभी नहीं पढ़ा रही हूँ. ethmoid bone, it will take, ethmoid bone को पढ़ाने के लिए थोड़ा सा आपको बोन को कट करके देखना पड़ेगा. So if you see here that there is some depression over here, यहाँ पर. ठीक है. If we see my insert my finger over here, it is like this. So this is called ethmoidal fossa. Ethmoidal fossa is the part of ethmoid bone which gives accommodation for olfactory bulb of brain. Olfactory bulb of brain. अच्छा, अब ये क्या है olfactory bulb और ये सब क्या है? अभी ब्रेन में हम पढ़ाएंगे आप लोग को. Then everything will be clear in that what is the olfactory bulb, what is the optic chiasma. ठीक. उस समय भी मैंने बताया था hypophyseal fossa, optic chiasma, when we are discussing the sphenoid bone. So here you see that there is presence of olfactory bulb, sorry, ethmoidal fossa. Ethmoidal fossa. Ethmoidal fossa is this one structure, deep depression over here, fossa. So here is the lodgement of olfactory bulb. And the partitioning between the cranial cavity and nasal cavity is cribriform plate. Cribriform plate. अभी cribriform plate क्या है? देखो, This was the nasal cavity. This was the nasal cavity. Or if we see the brain,